appropriate because Chinese Taipei and the Philippines remain the only unbeaten teams dito sa titira siya sa ilalim tapos nandun si Marlo Aquino. You really have to think twice.
Abarientos gets away from his man.
Tayo naman, entering the finals, we beat Korea.
Marlo Aquino, yes, stretching.
To be able to be careful not to give him that opportunity.
Oh, nice move mula kay Doremdes. Yes. Marami silang pwedeng i-cheer dito eh. Panorin natin ulit ito. Set shot. Bottom of the net.
A high up.
Nearly 5 minutes gone by. Dito po sa championship game ng Jones Cup. Marlo Aquino on the post once again. Rebound ni Wang. Pero natabing yung bola. Libre-libre si Doremdes. Tinaktak ng dalawang kamay.
The Philippine team, nakikita natin, no? So unselfish there. Passing the China was, kailangan kong team na to, sabi niya, game exposure, yung experience, yung gelling by
Kenneth Doremdes goes all the way to the hole. The basket from the outside. Marlo Aquino nilabas kay Vergel Meneses. Open jumper. Patay na naman para kay...
Ganang pinakita ni Marlo Aquino, tumulong siya sa depensa.
Ito naman, sablay lamang yung dakdak. And no foul. Speeding to the front court, number 13.
To score unmolested, alam natin ito si Wang, is 6'7", 27 years old. Ito naman si Marlo! Ito!
Kaya naman nakikita mo, overflow crowd dito po sa Municipal Stadium ng Taipei. Nice pass and alley-oop play para kay Vergel Meneses.
Scoring from 3-point range is something to marvel at.
Si Michael Jordan lamang ang gumagawa at saka si Scottie Pippen eh. Ito, Abarientos, maliit ito. Sasaksak sa loob. Floater, beautiful shot.
At palagay ko, kayang-kayang i-one-on-one ng Philippine team itong Chinese defense.
Patay.
As you see earlier.
Nice tap. Doremdes na sa labas. Marlo Aquino inside. Gets away again. And
Yes!
problema na nila yun.
Problema nila yun.
Namantala si Marlo Aquino. Keyhole jumper. Patay na naman. And Austin Rosella and kay Dick takes his first shot. Patay kagad. And we're
A very agile player for 6'7". And Jones...
Philippines led by as many as 7 points kanina, 18-11. 3-point shot, patay! Patrimonio. Doremdes. PLDT long distance shot para kay Captain Marvel. Bayan ng mga superstars indeed ng PBA Centennial team.
Tumitindi. And the Chinese Taipei team feeling the pressure.
Oh yes! Nice pass inside. Alley-oop play. Meneses and Doremdes, they used to play together. Dun po sa RFM franchise and they're playing beautiful music again.
Unselfish play by Bennett.
Ni Doremdes. And here comes Lo getting away all the way to the basket. And the Chinese are back in this ball game. Panorin natin ito. A fast break. Well, we'd like to thank FedEx, the transportation company of the Jones Cup games. FedEx will live to deliver. Meneses from the outside. Yes! PLDT long distance shot para kay Vergel Meneses. Bante pa rin po tayo ng 4 na puntos, 49-45. Meneses, laban kay Cheng. One-on-one. Cheng. Meneses gets away. What a move!
5 sa one-on-one. Diyan mo pressure yata. Nandito na sa Chinese Taipei, no?
Here we go again. Meneses, one-on-one muli. Na-double team. Inilabas kay Abarientos. Setting him up for a 3-point shot. Yes! PLDT long distance shot. Para kay Johnny A.
Double team on Vergel. At partner si Vergel.
Sa labas, si Lee. Here's Lin. Laban kay Marlo. Power move. And he gets the basket plus a foul. Laban kay Marlo Aquino.
Shot. He tried to hold his ground.
Then missing
Hindi naman pumasok yung 3-point play opportunity.
Dito na buo ang 3-point play. Dito pa rin ang bante natin. 14.5 remaining in the second half. We're looking for the Jones Cup today. Abarientos. Binigay kay Marlo. Ang ganda ng pass. Saktan siya. Galit na galit. Nakikita mo naman yun. Agad ang lapi. And you can see in his eyes.
So emphatic.
Yes.
May punctuation mark yung ginawa ni Marlo Aquino. And that, of course, will be a big morale booster, no, for the Philippine team.
As if they've been playing all their life together. Here's Lee. Binigay kay Cheng. He's inside. Nice move. And you have to like the way this Cheng moves without the ball, Pinito, huh? For both teams.
Ito si Kenneth is looking to post up.
Patrimonio. Cross court. Abarientos. Can't seem to find an opening. Patrimonio will take a three.
Yes!
PLDT long distance shot para kay Alvin Patrimonio. He watched his step And he
6-7, blocked by Kenneth Durendes. Yata naka-block ko rin.
from nowhere.
Unbelievable block by Kenneth Durendes.
Here he is.
Deep in the ability ni Kenneth.
Kenneth Doorbell!
Oh boy, another 3-point shot.
PLDT long distance shot again para sa PBA Centennial team.
Ngayon, may killer's instinct. I think they're very confident of what they can do on the floor as a unit, as a team.
In the first half, we shot almost 63% from the field. Ang Chinese Taipei, about 53%. Labas, only 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Meneses, or rather,
Oh, yes!
Meneses and Espino. picking up
Dennis
the garbage.
Espino.
The team, Lo, nasa kanto, fix. Goes up for the three. Kumalog. Offensive rebound this time by Lee. Wala pa rin. Abarientos gets the rebound. And the little man bringing it down. Johnny, binigay kay Durendes all the way to the basket. It's a 15-point lead para sa Pilipinas. This is the biggest lead of the PBA Centennial team.
This Taipei. Tignan natin if it will work.
Durendes gets inside.
It doesn't work. And Kenneth Durendes again. Penetrate. Man itong Chinese Taipei. Sabi siguro ni Kenneth, kayang-kaya natin.
Kaya ko to. Alan kay Dick. Inside. Limpot. Turnaround. Goal!
Oh, yes.
19-point lead para sa PBA Centennial team. We're on their way.
Alam mo, partner, parang 5 barrels ang baril natin.
Oh.
You know?
Hindi double barrel, no?
Oh, all blazing. Ito yung 3-point shot. And that time, nakawala.
Down this ball game. Ang Pilipinas on top by 16. It's just a matter of time if we can hang on here. Outside shot. Yes! 3-point shot para kay Lo. And hanging on. Kay Dick, open for 3. Yes! PLDT long distance shot para kay Triggerman. And the Philippines has increased their lead to 15 with 3.5 remaining.
The big difference, the 3-point shot of Alan
Uy,
Taipei.
natapal pa ni Alan kay Dick. Tumira uli si Lee. Patay. Alright, bumabawi in company of the Jones Cup games. FedEx will live to deliver and talk about delivering. What a great move mula kay Lee as he cuts down that lead. Abante po ng Pilipinas, bahagyan na lamang natapyas. Abarientos now handling the ball.
And they're looking to trap in the backcourt.
Durendes.
Safely giving it over to
Binigay kay
Durendes.
Malo!
Beautiful pass!
Nice feed!
Ang
And
ganda
that may
naman.
be the exclamation
Oo.
point, Pinito.
Ang ganda ng pasa galing kay Kenneth Durendes and Marlo Aquino unmolested with a dunk shot.
And the last 2 minutes is being brought to you by Pepsi, the next generation. And the Philippines only a minute and a half away from bagging this 21st William Jones Cup. And there's no denying the PBA Centennial team, Kinito. Not even that three.
Very good-naturedly, si Marlo Aquino accepting the apology of Wu.
Half a minute remaining. Kapit pa yan. At kampiyon na po tayo sa Jones Cup.
Eto si
Marlo
Marlo.
Aquino, wala. Offensive rebound sa kanya pa rin.
Ito naman.
nasapal. Nakaisa rin
Two
ang
attempts
konti.
by Marlo Aquino at
Oo.
walang pumasok.
Here's Cheng. Kumuporman tres. Inilabas kay Lee for the 3. Short. Rebound by Johnny. 6 seconds remaining.
And it's
And,
gonna be
oh,
Kenneth
yes.
Durendes.
That's
Oh
it, Marlo.
boy, the dunk shot, and that should be it.
And
A
that is it.
10-point win.
The Philippines wins the 21st William Jones Cup sa Taipei, and a big win para kay Tim Cone. He came, he saw, and he conquered. What a victory!